Hello everyone and welcome back to Nil Express. Today I come with this viral math question. This look like very tough, but if you solve this in a correct way, you will get the right answer. So try to solve by your own. Feature in our shortcut list. These are top commenters. They are best in maths. Okay, first what we have to do here. So we will simply follow the PEMDAS. Okay. So in the PEMDAS, first preference will be given to, or you can say priority will be given to parenthesis. So here two operations are there, 16 divided by 4 and 4 plus 2. So first we will operate this one. Okay. 16 divided by 4, you will get 4. And for this, okay, we will write step by step. 4 here and 4 plus 2 minus 4 square. Now again in the next parenthesis, 4 times 2 which equals to 6. So we will write here 4 6 minus 4 square. Now next preference will be given to exponent. So here exponent part is this. So we have to solve for 4 square. So 4 square is nothing but what? 4 times 4, which equals to 16. So we can simply write 4 square as 16 in the place of 4 square. 4, you can simplify and write like 4 times 6 minus, in the place of 4 square we will write 16. Okay, and next what we get, there is multiplication operation and subtraction operation. So next step, next priority will be given to multiplication. So we will solve for this part. Okay, so we will rewrite here 4 times 6 minus 16. Now we will operate here 6 times 4 which equals to 24 and minus 16, right, we can write as it is. And when we subtract 24 minus 16, we will get what? 8. So here 8 is the right answer. And if you are seniors, then must check out our best product list for seniors in the description. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.